We heard all of those sounds and we're in the station. So when you go into the train station, you hear all those neat sounds all around you, right? So now I want everybody, I don't know if you've noticed, but I made some train tracks. I hope there's enough track for all of our trains. But so everybody can try to sit along this train track and this train track. I kind of ran on the tape. And we'll have imaginary ones too. So we can get up and everybody sit here. We're going to have a bunch of train cars at our train station. This is our train. We just scooch in between the lines, and if we run out of track, it's magical imaginary track. Okay, so all the grown-ups can take their little and sit down and take their... Like right in it? Yeah, sit right in it. I should take my loose show. There's speakers. Yeah, and loose up front. And I'm up front on the engine, right? Right.
Sit this way. We're going this way.
And I'll need all the cars in the middle. Who wants to be the engine up front? And the cars in the middle. And the caboose.
We're going to sit this way.
At the end. Don't stress. You're just going to sit and we'll pretend to be friends.
Yeah, that's Mommy. That's his grandma. That's his grandma.
So this song was here before. Down by the station. That's where we are right now, guys. Ready to move, right? So we're all waiting. Our passengers are getting on. We're getting ready to go. Down by the station. See the little possibilities on the road. Hear the station master shout, all aboard now. Chug, chug, choo, choo, off we go. That sounded good. Remember. And some of you are great sight readers.
Yeah. That's not for playing.
Roll over a jumper.
Okay.
Down by the station, early in the morning, see the little possibilities all in a row. Hear the station master shout, all aboard now. Chug, chug, choo, choo, off we go. So you ready to go? Okay. I think you're ready to move. I need engines and caboose. Cabooses. That's probably the plural. So let's stand up on our line. We're all ready to rock. We got all of our passengers on.
Stand up. Thank you, Riley. It's not for playing with. Thank you. Thank you.
We're really taking this engine thing seriously.
Okay, so let's stand up. I have something that makes a sound that reminds me of a train a little bit. Let me show you. When I was little, I used to hear the train from my house. Now here it goes. Let's everybody take at least one. I'm going to dump it in the middle, frankly. If all the kids want to come and grab some. And take one back to your grown-ups, too. Good, having that. I need to grab
Another one, yay!
That's a neat sound, right?
Which shape is?
So we can play the cookies wherever we like. You can get up and walk around, or you can...
Three eggs?
And you can tap them on your arm and make a noise too. But these are percussion eggs. Percussion eggs are used in dance to make a cool sound. They're one of the things we say to make cool sounds. Can you keep time with them? Or you can just go. behind the train and train, running down the track, looking out the track, little rat behind the train and train. Little rat comes the train, little rat comes the train, behind the train and train, running down the track, looking out the track, behind the train and train. You know, once you just play with them and see what you can do with them. It's kind of fun. You shaking high?
Ready? Shake high. Shake up high.
Shake them low.
Shake up high. Shake them low. Shake them low.
Okay, stop on the side and stop. That was really good. Okay, let's shake them.
Shake up high. Shake up high. Shake them down low. Buddy, that's not on the list of things we're doing with them. Charles.
Sorry?
No.
Can we take them?
You can take them different ways. Listen to the sounds they make.
Yeah, shake.
Okay. That was some awesome shaking. I saw high, I saw low. I saw shake. Shake the vein, shake the vein. Time to fly, shake the vein. Shake the vein, shake the vein. Time to put them
No.
Makes total sense. And then look, when you get to go on a train, you can wave at the train going by. Bye train. Bye shakers. Come here, Riley.
Bye-bye, shakers.
Bye shakers. I have them all. Oh, and if anybody is into, if anybody's sick or just accidentally gets some saliva on these or whatever, there's some Lysol type wipes up there. We're going to have another fun thing in just a moment. And so, just wipe them, pop them back in the basket, no problem. Everybody likes singing here, it's okay. So, and look, you can ride on a train and look at all the stuff going by. And there's a choo-choo there. That train is down. Anybody have story time? Does anybody go to preschool or it's kind of early, but daycare? Well, let me get rid of the preschool and daycare. Blanket, blanket, I've got a blanket. Sit down, sit on my blanket. Time for story time. I have a neat story for you. And if your little ones aren't totally into the blanket yet, that's cool. And it really is. Make sure I've got it. Oh, he's right up front. Awesome. So this is a story. Everybody, this is a story you can read through the Kinder Music at Home stuff too. It'll read it to you even if you like. Or you can pull it.
I'll sit right next to you.
I sit on the blanket.
Go sit right next to you.
Winding over bridges with a slow and shaky whip, snaky wiggle. Who's that rocking across the river with a wriggle, jiggle, jiggle?
Up the window, train.